Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine. We can see in the picture some flowers, artificial flowers. You are welcome in my class. At first, look at these pictures. We can see in the picture a boy and a boy is going to school and looking another side, and the boy is reading book. Now watch the table and try to guess. Name: indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Verb present form, verb past form, verb future form. Continuous to be verb plus verb ing, to be verb plus ing, shall, will, to be verb plus ing. Perfect, to have plus verb past participle, to have plus verb past participle, shall, will plus to have plus be verb, pp. Introduction. Our topic is, we can see a cartoon. Verb tense part 1. A. Created for class 6 to 10. I am Muhammad Anikul Alam, assistant teacher of Mundamala Girls High School. Outcomes of the lesson. After completing the lesson, you will learn the classification of the tense, the structures of various tenses, to identify the tenses in sentence, to make sentences according to tense. Lesson: a kinds of tense. Tense. Present tense. Mainly tenses are of three kinds: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Verb tense in total. Present tense, past tense, and future tense. Every tenses are classified into 4: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous tense. Group work. Write down the names of indefinite tenses. Write down the names of continuous tenses. Write down the names of perfect tenses. Write down the names of perfect continuous tenses. Structures. Present tense. Subject plus main verb plus extensions. Example: he plays cricket in the field. Past tense. Subject plus main verb plus extension. Example: he played cricket in the field. Future tense. Subject plus shall or will plus main verb, base form plus extension. He will play cricket in the field. We can see some buildings in the picture. Present indefinite tense. Structures and examples. Present indefinite tense, that means positive sentence, subject plus main verb plus extension. He plays cricket in the field. Negative, subject plus do not oblique does not plus main verb base form plus extension. He does not play cricket in the field. Interrogative sentence, do or does plus subject plus main verb base form plus extension. Does he play in the field? Past indefinite tense. Structure. Affirmative sentence. Subject plus main verb past form plus extension. He played cricket in the field. Negative, subject plus did not plus main verb base form plus extension. He did not play cricket in the field. Interrogative, did plus subject plus main verb base form plus extension. Did he play cricket in the field? Future indefinite tense. Positive sentence, subject plus shall or will plus main verb, base form plus extension. He will play in the field. Negative, subject plus shall not or will not plus main verb, base form plus extension. He will not play cricket in the field. Interrogative, shall or will, subject plus main verb, base form plus extension. Will he play cricket in the field? Make some sentences present indefinite tense. We can see in the picture a bunch of flower. He goes to the school. Present tense. Past tense, he went to the school. Future tense, he will go to the school. Continuous tenses. Present continuous. Subject plus am is are plus main verb ing plus extension. He is playing cricket in the field. Past tense, subject plus was were auxiliary verb plus main verb ing plus extension. He was playing cricket in the field. Future tense, subject plus shall or will plus be plus main verb ing plus extension. He will be playing cricket in the field. Future continuous tense. Subject plus shall or will plus be plus main verb plus ing plus extension. He will playing cricket in the field. Negative, subject will or shall not plus be verb plus main verb plus ing extension. He will be not playing cricket in the field. Interrogative. Shall or will plus subject plus be plus main verb plus ing. Will he be playing cricket in the field? Make sentence as directed. My parents bracket live in a small village in Rajshahi. Past continuous tense. The sentence will be my parents were living in a small village in Rajshahi. Past continuous tense. She cooked. There's a good dish for us. She is cooking a good dish for us now. Hassan, wait for me in the station tomorrow. Future continuous tense. Hassan will be waiting for me in the station tomorrow. Future perfect tense. Affirmative sentence or positive sentence. Subject plus shall have, will have plus main verb PP3 past participle extension. He will have played cricket in the field. Negative. Subject plus shall, will or not plus have plus main verb past participle plus extension. He will not have played cricket in the field. Make sentence as directed. My parents live the village, small village in Rajshahi. My parents had left the small village in Rajshahi. She cooked. There's a good dish for us today. Present perfect tense. She has cooked a good fish dish for us today. Present tense, Kamal writes a story. Present continuous, Kamal is writing a story. Present perfect, Kamal has written a story. Past tense, past indefinite, Kamal wrote a story. Past continuous, Kamal was writing a story. Past perfect, Kamal had written a story. Future tense, Kamal will write a story. Future continuous, Kamal will be writing a story. Kamal will have written a story. Past perfect continuous tense. Subjects plus had been plus main verb plus extension. He had been playing cricket since morning. Negative. He had not been playing cricket since morning. Interrogative. Had he been playing cricket since morning? Tell the name of the tense in sentences. The boy will have been waiting in the station for 2 hours. Future perfect continuous tense. You have been running in the field for 2 hours. Present perfect continuous tense. This sentence. The student had been writing an essay yesterday for 2 hours. Past perfect continuous tense. Write down the answers of the following question. How many tenses are there in the verb of English grammar? Write down the names of the present tense. Write down the three structures of perfect tense. Homework: make sentences by all the structures. Thank you.